What if I told you there's a living organism the size of a continent? Would you believe it? Why would you? That's absurd. Or is it? Quick question. What's the largest animal in the world? The answer is the Antarctic blue whale, which is 30 meters long, about the length of 2.5 city bus. This size beats most prehistoric animals, including the largest terrestrial and marine animals. Even if there are some undiscovered animals larger than the blue whale, its size shouldn't differ much. 40 meters at most, a far cry from the size of an entire continent. So this organism can't be an animal. So is it perhaps a plant? The largest plant in the world would be the Shark-Basis Posidonia australis, which is 4,500 years old and covers an area bigger than Washington, D.C., measuring up to 200 square kilometers. But how is this possible for a single tree? The answer is, it's not. At least not for a single tree. You see, this plant is made up of thousands of tree clones whose roots is connected to each other, forming a meadow made up of clones of the same tree. And when I say clone, I meant the offspring formed by asexual reproduction, which is pretty common in plants. However, this still does not even come close to a continent. What kind of organism would be able to span an entire continent? The answer is fungi. But how can a microorganism be as large as a continent? Well, most can't, because most microorganisms are unicellular, meaning they grow in numbers but can't grow in size. But fungi are multicellular, like animals. As long as the condition is met, they will multiply and grow infinitely. Ultimately, fungi will form a web of cells called the mycorrhizal network that will span an entire continent. Remember that when someone says you're fat, cause at least you're not larger than a continent. Fun fact, the blue whale is one of the heaviest creatures in the world, second only to your mom. Okay, I'll stop. For now. If I get 1,000 subscribers, I will make another video.